Hey guys, it is me, Mario Cat here, and this is the life of a dog, part 2! So anyway, I just wanted to show you the body parts for the first one. So of course we have the... Oh, she's digging holes. Okay. Spaz, quit. Show me your face. That's the face. Just like dirt on your nose. Can you smile for the camera? Okay. That's the head. Right there. This is the back. Back hairs. Whatever. The rear. Tail. Get that. The side. The other side. And so much more. How to dig a hole. It's easy. You just take your two dog hands and you just claw the ground until it just takes a little dirt out of the ground, and you continue until you make this massive hole like this one, or an even worse hole like this one. Hold up a second, like this one. Just so you know, right there, the topsoil's right here. That's where it's. Topsoil's right here. That's where it's supposed to be. Okay. So now, how does your dog speak? Okay. Spaz, can you bark? Ruff. Woof. Woof. Come on, Ruff already. Dog life if you're a parent. Da 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 da. Destroy your dog's hole by filling in all of the dirt. Da 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 da. Just a doggy football. Alright. Now, the final step to becoming a dog is you have to waggle tail. Look at the tail for a second. I don't think. Play with your toys. Play with your dog with the toys. Give! Come back here! Oh. And hide underneath the car. That is a thug-like dog underneath the car. How are we gonna get her out? I know. Just poke her in the butt. Poke the meter. Come on out. Alright. That was the life of a dog part 2. I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. And of course, bye-bye!